What's happening?
We're about to go and hit the islands, the
Cool.
coast of Whangamata, kayaking and supping.
Cool, and it's a beautiful day.
Awesome.
So we're going to go and see something secret today.
We are.
You going in? That was lucky ass.
We made it out.
Leave them all there. I wanna make for you. Get them bones in the water. Leave them all there.
That's the shot. Try and make it a little bit more dramatic this time.
Good things take time to do. So I'll take my time and you. Down here when we make it over. The road is long, what makes it stronger. Life is such a mystery. Stay a while now, you might see. Stay me when those rainy days. The best that's yet to come my way. Feels so good to me, yeah. Can't get enough of them bones, babe. Bones, baby, baby. Heat it up, babe. Heat it up, babe. Heat it up, babe. Take me over the cloud and rain to where the peaceful borders fade. The road is long as the nights are dark. Get a little closer every day. Get them bones in the water. Leave them all day. Get them bones in the water. Get them bones. Leave them all day. Leave them all day. Get them bones in the water. Leave them all day. I wanna make for you. Get them bones in the water. Get them bones in. Leave them all day. Like it was only yesterday. I remember all the things you told me. Don't take what you got for granted. Give some to receive. I made a weak one for Goose's bridle. Still keeping my powder dry. Still got no alibi. It's the things that you done for me. Oh, things are who I am. Hard work.
It's so cold. Oh.
Turn around, turn around.
Pedal! We got a lot of water in the boat. Yeah, yeah. We caught that one. Oh, yeah. Are we done? I'm like in a... It's almost coming over the top, look. I steered that time as well.
Yeah, you did. Moving straight.
Oh man.